Hello humans, welcome to the glow stick lab demo. We're going to take a look at these glow sticks and we're going to see what kind of effect temperature has on the chemical reaction that happens in here. So glow sticks, you've probably seen these before. The outside is plastic, inside is a very thin glass tube. Inside that glass tube is some diphenyl oxalate, and outside of the tube is some hydrogen peroxide. What happens is when you bend this, you're breaking that glass tube and you're releasing the chemicals. You shake it up vigorously to mix those chemical reactions, those chemicals to have a reaction, and then it's going to emit some light. But what we want to know is what is going to happen if we place one in an ice bath, one as a control with no water in it. That would be what we normally see. And then one in a heat bath. So we're going to take a look at our temperatures. The ice bath temperature, well, we're not happy with Celsius, Fahrenheit, but we're just going to have to go with it. 39.8 degrees. And then the empty one is basically room temperature, 73. And then our hot one is 139.6 degrees. So it's rapidly decreasing because of the fact that heat moves from hot to cold. What you're going to do is you're going to write down, I predict that when I place a glow stick in hot water, and then you're going to predict what happens to the brightness. And you're also going to write, I predict that when I place a glow stick in cold water, and you're going to make a prediction as to what you think is going to happen to the brightness. You also need to write down on your paper a brightness scale of 1 to 5. So the dimmest would be 1, the brightest would be 5, and your control, which is the one we're going to place in the middle without any treatment on it, is going to be 3. So this is the one we're comparing it to, the regular one. So you're going to write hot water, and then whatever level you see there. Cold water, and whatever level you see there. You're going to write down your observations of what you saw happening. And then reasoning, scientifically. What is the explanation why what you saw happened? Okay, we have our glow sticks. I'm going to break them. You can hear the crunching of the glass inside. You can see it's already starting. So I'm going to shake it vigorously. And I'm going to shut off the lights and put them in. So you can see they're starting at basically all the same brightness. Let's put one in the cold, in the ice bath. We're going to put one as a control without any treatment. And then we're going to put this one in the hot bath. And we're going to observe it and see what exactly happens to the brightness. Hopefully you can see something happening already. I'm going to get some of this condensation wiped away here so maybe you can see that a little bit better. What are you noticing? Write down your observations. Also, don't forget to fill out which one is the dimmest. Is it the hot one? Is it the cold one? Is it the control? It shouldn't be the control because that is our number 3. And which one is the brightest? Give that a 4 or a 5. Also, write down why. Why is this happening? What's happening to the molecules to make this happen? I'll take them out so that you can compare them side by side. If I can get this one out. Let go. Cold, control, and hot. Good luck.